Hello everyone. In this video we speak about Instagram, and this is the Instagram for product or service providers. If you are looking to become a blogger, influencer in Instagram, then you need to skip this channel and you need to skip this video at all, because my name is Lana and I'm a destination wedding planner, and I'm sharing my experience and my knowledge how I handle our business Instagram account and how we get leads and clients from Instagram. So if you are a service product provider, and especially if you're in wedding and event industry, then this video is a great fit for you. So subscribe to our channel and thumbs up, and make sure to continue watching this video. And now I will open a secret that I have for you. Well, I entrusted to handle our social media from the very beginning when we started to Digital American company. Why I did that? Because I had no clue about social media. Yes, I used it for my personal reasons, and I knew that there is social media for sure, but I didn't have time to study social media for business. I didn't want to dig further, and I didn't have time for that. My head was so busy with other things. So we hired this Digital American company whom we paid so much money. And yes, I can tell you how much it was. It was $2,000 per month. And we had a contract for 1.5 years or even more. So calculate how much money I spent on social media, giving this to someone else. Well, now, if you ask me, I will say yes, I regret that I spent so much money for social media that didn't give me the results that I wanted. But I believe that everything happens for a reason, and there is a reason why I did that, and there is a reason why I stopped that. So after 1.5 years or so, I stopped cooperation with that company, and I decided that it's time came that I learned social media for business by myself. I understand it by myself, and here my journey started. Well, I am a teacher by my first education. Maybe that's why for me knowledge is so much important before I start doing something that I don't know or I'm not sure in. What I did, I watched a lot of YouTube videos, something similar like you're watching right now, and I had a much better understanding of social media. I started Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and that's it. So from whatever I started, from bloggers, influencers, from colleagues who were good at social media and who were explaining that, I understood that the future is for Instagram. Instagram is growing so much rapidly last years, and it completely combined all social media in one. So now Instagram is Instagram initial that is very similar to Pinterest, then plus Facebook, because the post on Instagram started to play a huge role and people start to read them. People started to read captions under your video or photos. So Instagram starts to take more and more features from different other social media platforms, and YouTube. Look how great and quick videos started off on Instagram. So now the effect of video is much better than the effect of the photo. So many tutorials start to be available on Instagram. So Instagram combines Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube all together under one umbrella. So that's why Instagram. And I decided if I want to succeed, I need to learn by myself. So what I did, after watching different YouTube channels and videos, I understood that there is something that is not available for free and I need to pay for that knowledge. So I took paid courses from popular bloggers and influencers in different industries: fashion, makeup, travel, finance. All of them were saying different things, and some were related, some were not. But what I learned about Instagram in general, how it works. And because these bloggers were from different industries, each of them was talking about their industry, but I managed to make a kind of most important things from all of them, and I created an understanding for myself what Instagram is and how I can use it being a service provider. So to show you my result, how good I was in taking social media into my hands, I will just give you numbers. So for the time when digital US company was handling our social media, they gained around maybe 2,500 followers. So because they didn't start our social media from scratch, already there were followers, posts, etc., etc. And they were doing this for 1.5 years or something like that. And when I took over and I started to dig further, so around almost a year, not yet a year, but almost a year, now our Instagram is 8,500 followers, something like that. So almost hitting 9,000 followers. And this is for less than a year. So I think there is a huge difference between 2,500 followers during 1.5 years and zero leads from Instagram or clients, and 5,500 followers for less than a year with leads and clients. Now 90% of our clients, they come from Instagram. So that's why I see result of my hard work and knowledge and money invested in my education on Instagram. 90% of our clients, again, I repeat, come from Instagram. Yes, there are some leads, they are not direct clients. Our bride said that, my friend is following you on Instagram and she recommends you that I hire you for my destination wedding. So can we meet? So this is what I'm saying, that your audience can be not even your lead, it can be not even your client, but it's your organic audience who really like your work, they like what you're doing, your passion, and then they spread a word to their friends, colleagues, etc. and etc. This is the power of having organic audience, and this is exactly what we, like service providers, need, and product providers. We're not bloggers, we're not get paid from fancy brands to have photos in bikini or on yacht. No, we need to show our work and attract new clients and leads, magnet them thanks to our work. And now 3 rules, 3 steps, essential, so much important that you need to take right now after watching this video. Well, about Instagram, everything is important over there, starting from the quality of the picture, ending hashtags or personal posts there. But these 3 steps, these 3 rules are the most vivid and essential, and they will change really your game with Instagram. First thing that is really important, it is name of the account. Please do not mix it with username, because username is what is your account name on Instagram. Let's say our account name is Lana_wedding_planner. This is my username, but I'm speaking about name of the account. There is another line. Very often people put the same in the name and username. Why you put the same name? There is a difference, and these lines are different for some purpose. So we need to think what that purpose is. And the purpose is that in name, it's recommended by many bloggers and influencers to put the most relevant hashtag to your account and to your business. Again, I take our example. So our username on Instagram is Lana Wedding Planner. And the most relevant hashtag to our business is Destination Wedding Planner. So I put in name of the account is Destination Wedding Planner. And this is one of the first things that people see when they discover and they search for our services. So if they put in discover page Destination Wedding Planner, then you have the list of accounts who are related and who are pushed by Instagram. And what you see there 4 things. First, the icon, the logo or the image, then you see the username, then you see under it the name, and then you see how many posts new. The second essential thing that you need to do right now, it is description of your Instagram account. Please pay so much attention what you want to put to description, because description is only 150 characters. Yes, it's a very small number, but still you need to pack the most striking things over there. Another hint, please do not write description directly on Instagram. If you're using Apple, you write it on Notes. If you're using Android or laptop, you can write directly somewhere on Google Drive or any other online platform. But I ask you very much, do not do it directly on Instagram, because Instagram doesn't allow you to do a lot of things, like, let's say, to use paragraph or less spaces than you do it outside Instagram. So you write your description outside Instagram, you count that it's only 150 characters, and then what you do, you copy and paste into Instagram, edit profile, description. I can compare description with mini business card. It's your business card. On business card, we put only the most important information about our business and what we do. The same we need to do on description on Instagram. You don't put some generic or general things like, oh, we're here for you, we're so happy to support you, or something like that. For sure, you're there for them because you are in this business. If you're running a business, then you are happy to be there for your clients. Do not put some things that already vivid and seen and clear. You need to put only striking things, what characterize your business, because what people see when they discover you on Instagram, they see your nickname, they see name, and then they see the description. They read what they see on the description, and if they find it okay, if they like it, then they scroll down all your feed. And the third, the most important thing that you need to do now and right now today after watching this video is hashtags. You know, now I love hashtags. I'm so enjoying researching hashtags, changing, adding new, and preparing hashtags for our clients who are members of our project. So I really enjoy doing that. But before, when I started, really I had no clue how to do these hashtags and how I can verify if it's good hashtag or bad hashtag. So I will tell you one thing. Hashtag is not what you think. Hashtag is the word what the visitors on Instagram are searching. So we need always to put ourselves in the shoes of people who are searching for your service of Instagram. Hashtag is a keyword. Hashtag can be compared to keyword on Google, if you do know what SEO is and what keyword on Google is. So we all use Google for a long time. When you need something on internet, what you do, you start Google and you put what you're looking for. If you're looking for a destination wedding planner in Dubai, you're putting destination wedding planner in Dubai or just destination wedding planner. So it means you're looking for this service. If you're looking for florist in Italy, you're putting wedding florist in Italy. Same procedure is present on Instagram. When people are looking for the service or product on Instagram, they put the same keyword, but on Instagram and social media it's called hashtag. So you need to pay extreme attention to hashtags. Remember that Instagram has its own rules and it's a platform. Yes, it's a social platform, but as I say, any social media has technical and social side. So now we are speaking about technical side. Instagram allows only 30 hashtags, up to 30 hashtags to be used under each post in the feed. Make sure that we keep the rules of Instagram, and it's very important. As per using hashtags on stories, I would say that you do need to do that. Minimum 1 hashtag, maximum 3 hashtags. This is what I discovered and I use for our accounts as well. Do not use general hashtags. Use only specific and related to the post hashtags. And yes, it's needed to change hashtag from time to time depending on your post. For sure, if you have one service, one niche, let's say you're a wedding celebrant, your hashtags will not be that much different from post to post because you will have one set of hashtags. But if you are a florist or if you are a wedding planner, you have posts of wedding setup, venue, menu, bride, etc. and etc. So each post is different, and for sure the set of you can have general set of hashtags that are related to your business, but then you need always to leave space to specific hashtags that are related to this very post. Let's say you post a bridal bouquet on your feed, and for sure you will have hashtags related to bridal bouquet. But then the next post is floral arch. You cannot use the same hashtags that you used for bridal bouquet because it's not bridal bouquet anymore. You cannot put bridal bouquet, your bridal bouquet, best bridal bouquet because you have floral arch. So you need to have hashtags that are specific for floral arch. So whatever people see on picture should be the same that they can read in your hashtags. Do not create something that is completely out of the blue. They will never click on your photo, they will never visit your profile, and they will never like and follow you. So it means it's in vain. The Instagram pushes your picture because of your hashtag, but the audience who is looking for this hashtag, they are not visiting your profile, they don't do any action, and they skip it. So what Instagram learns is that your picture is not related to the hashtag that you use. That's why they will not push you. They will ban you. They will put you down and down and down. So you need to be very careful with hashtags, and before posting, select your hashtags. So this is about the relevancy of hashtag to your posts and videos. Then how to select your set of hashtags. It's the same rule like you use for SEO and for keywords, exactly the same. You need to combine smaller hashtags, medium hashtags, and bigger hashtags, but do not jump over the head and use it smartly. And do not forget that you need to use hashtags that not are happening in your head, but what our Instagram users are really using and searching for. Open the page of Instagram, check the category tags, and then search your hashtags over there. That's it. Good luck. If you do have any comment, feel free to leave it below. If you like this video, thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel because we will be giving more information on Instagram, because now Instagram became my real friend with whom I go to bed and wake up, but not my enemy anymore. Ciao.